This parrot mother was having trouble laying her egg. Her owner helped her lay her egg, but sadly, the mother didn't survive. So she decided to take care of the egg herself. The egg was incredibly small. By the 5th day, tiny blood vessels were visible inside. After 2 weeks, the egg started to move. On the 19th day, he finally hatched. He was so tiny, even smaller than her finger, but he had a huge appetite. He always overeat and store the food in his throat. Soon, he started growing feathers. In just 3 weeks, he developed all his features. He even falls asleep standing on her hand. When his feather falls, he always gives it to her. With practice, he learned how to fly. Now he constantly bothers his owner, especially when she's trying to study.